ka surjongphi ka thangjangi.
Do you want issues discussed and the decisions taken?
Yeah, so like this. Today again we had meetings about the Laitumkhrah hawkers in the presence of local Malay Madam Ampunondo and all the Rongba Ashnongs and along with the Rongba dogs, and we have discussed thoroughly about this hawker. So I think another 10 days, there is some plus and minus, we are unable to decide today. They asked me 10 days more time, so we give them 10 days more, so we'll come with a concrete decision.
So 10 days means what type of decision are you?
So the decision is that because there is some place to recheck again, we have to re-verify again. So the Dorbashong requests in the meeting today, so we give them 10 days time. So within 10 days time, it will be a joint inspection between the Urban Affairs Department officers and the Dorbashong elders or whoever, maybe the headman from Badong. They will go for a joint inspection and they will submit the report, and we will try to close this matter as as possible.
Well,
The number of hawkers will be relocated.
So the number will be yet to decide, even because some new are coming,
yes.
and some old is already there. So even that will decide next week.
So,
what are the actual number?
So third phase of hawkers relocation will be
Laitumkhrah.
Laitumkhrah.
Yes.
Okay, and by when are you expecting to complete the process?
I think just take it within 1 or 2 months we'll be able to complete it, because when we decide next week, and we have to give them notice 30 days minimum, and then we'll proceed ahead as per law accordingly.
Can we hear from?
Yes. So all of our suggestions have already been accepted by the Honorable DCM in charge of urban affairs. There were a bit of a glitch because roads in and around Laitumkhrah are very tight. There's already big pressure from vehicular movement, big pressure from public movement. So now we need to be a little more careful when we discuss the relocation on an existing road. So Honorable DCM has been very gracious to listen to the Darbar and us, and we are very grateful. Hopefully things should go as proposed.
Which place there?
We are not going to disclose anything now because we are just at the stage of discussion.
How many?
Talk about the numbers of hawkers because these are all committed situations with the court, and hence we do not want to infringe or get into matters which are subsidious.
Sir, are these hawkers only from main road area or inside?
We are yet to finalize finally.
Being deputy